Good morning. We start our chapter 4, quadratic equation. We completed our first chapter, second chapter. First chapter is real numbers, second chapter polynomials, third linear equations in two variables. Number 4, quadratic equation is now start. Fifth, arithmetic progression completed. Seventh, coordinate geometries. 14, statistics, and 15, probability. Now we start here. Chapter number 4, quadratic equations. In chapter 2, we learn about many polynomials, like many types of polynomials like linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Here, linear polynomial, standard form of linear polynomial is in the form ax plus b. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. And cubic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c plus ax cube, cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here quadratic equations. We know quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. It is equal to 0. That means is equal to 0. We get the result we get in the form of quadratic equation. Polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. A is not equal to 0. In quadratic equation, polynomial is equals to 0. Equal to 0. Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equations. Now, here we learn some important points. First, a quadratic equation in variable x, y, here I write x, is of the form axy. Here variable x, therefore here write axy plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a, b, c are real numbers and necessary condition is not equal to 0. Suppose a is equal to 0, then it becomes linear equation. Again, quadratic equation is variable x. In variable x is of form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Otherwise, you take a variable a or y, then you write ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. A, b, c are coefficient of terms y square, y and constant respectively. As for example, which type of quadratic equation? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is, if suppose there is no 0, then it is called quadratic polynomial. A is equal to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. Equate with 0 quadratic polynomial, then it becomes quadratic equation. Only asking question, write the standard form in quadratic polynomial. Then you don't write equal to 0. You write only ax square in descending order of their powers, ax square plus bx plus c. And suppose the question is to write it in a standard form of quadratic equations. Then we write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus c is equal to 6 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic Here then we arrange in the term. Descending order of power x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0 are all quadratic equation. You write here like this: x square minus 9 is equal to 0 is also a quadratic equation, because here a is equal to 1, bx, b is equal to 0 and minus 9 is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0, a is equal to 1, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Standard form. What is the standard form? If we write the various terms of px in this standard form, if we write the various forms of px in descending order of their degrees, then we get the standard form of the equation. We write polynomial px in descending order of their degrees, terms in the of px in descending order of their degrees, then we get the standard form of the equation. Thus, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Remember this standard form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. B and c, both or either of them may be 0. Here x square minus 9, here b is not exist. Ax square, b is 0, x minus 9 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 9. Here b is not, therefore b is 0. B and c both or either of them may be 0. C is equal to 0, then we can say 3x square plus 2x is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. But 5x is not quadratic equation. 5x plus 3 is a linear equation. Okay? Example number 2. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Number 1. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. In this question, we do not say directly it is quadratic or not. But first we simplify this question. Here first term x minus 2 square. Therefore x square minus 2 to the 4x plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Simplify this question. Term x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1, 5. All the terms on one side, minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 0. It is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Yes or no? Yes. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 8. Yes, it is a quadratic equation in the form standard form. Which is standard form? It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. A is equal to, you write only this like it is. Yes, it is a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. quadratic or not? No. First we simplify numbers. This question. Here x into x. It becomes x square plus x into 1 x plus a. Here multiplication. We know a plus b, a minus b. This type of this multiplication of both bracket x plus 2, x minus 2. Therefore, x square minus 2 square. X square plus x plus a is equal to x square minus 4. X square plus a, x plus a minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, x square minus x square form. Remaining terms x plus 8 plus 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. It is not a form of ax square plus bx plus c. It is a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. Then we write it is not a quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 0. It is not a quadratic equation because it is not a form of ax square plus bx plus c. Then we simplify the equation and then we say it is a quadratic or not quadratic. Now number 3 and 4. Example 2, number 3. X, 2x plus 3, x square plus 1. We simplify this question before saying that it is quadratic or not. First we say that it is the quadratic, but we simplify first the equation, first the question before saying it is quadratic or not. X into 2x plus 3, that means 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1. 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square, x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes. It is a form of ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic equation. Now, 4 number. X plus 2 raised to x plus 2 cube is equal to x cube minus 4. First, we saw this question, then we say that it is a cubic polynomial, cubic equation. But now first we simplify this question and then say it is quadratic or not. X bar of x plus 2 whole cube, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here we write x cube plus 2 cube plus 3ab. You know in this formula into bracket x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. X cube plus 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 3 2s are 6x, x plus 2 is equals to x cubed minus 4. X cubed plus a plus 6x into x, 6x square plus 6 2s are 12x. All terms this side minus x cube plus 4 equals to 0. X cube minus x cube got. Therefore, first we write x square 6x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 4 plus 12 equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation, or it is written as divide by all terms 6 x square plus 6 to the 2x plus 6 to the 2 is equal to 0. Both are right. It is a quadratic equation. In this equation, we say that it is cubic equation, but we simplify this equation and then say it is a quadratic equation. First we simplify the equation before deciding it is a quadratic equation or not. It is a quadratic equation. Exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. Now, question number 1 is like this question. It is quadratic or not. First and second, do yourself in homework. Number 3, I simplify this question. Now, x minus 2, x plus 1, multiplication of this both brackets, x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 ones are 2 equals to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now x square plus x minus 2x, it is minus x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x minus x plus 2x minus 3. All terms are same side, x square and minus x, right, same side, minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Then change the sign, x square minus x minus 2x, it becomes minus 3x, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation? No. Then we write it is not a quadratic equation. Understood? First simplify, then say it is quadratic equation or not. Question number 1. First and second, do yourself on self in your homework. Okay.